Hi guys, it's X. Welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we are going to be reviewing the new Kylie 24 collection. Is she 24 or 25? I don't remember. Yeah, 24 karat gold collection. So I bought the palette. It is very, very beautiful. As you can see, I was a little hesitant to purchase the palette just because I feel like I have other palettes with these shades, but it was really pretty, so I figured I'd purchase it and review it for you guys. And I decided to do a full face of makeup today, and I have not done that, I think, since my wedding in May. But anyway, if you guys want to know my thoughts and opinions on the palette, just keep on watching. Before you swipe me away or click me on this video, please like, comment, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Okay, so I feel like I want to, and I'm so sorry about, I didn't want to put a lipstick on until I chose what kind of look I was gonna make. So I love the colors. Of course, I love rose gold, so the rose gold colors in here are obviously popping out to me. But I think I'm gonna start off with this Make-A-Wish transition color here and just put it all in my crease and under my brow bone there. I really wanted to get the body glitter as well, but I ended up not getting it. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with Leo Season. Tap that on. There is a tiny bit of fallout, and I'm gonna go ahead and just darken up my crease here with that shade. And dip in a little bit more and do the other side. You guys, the weather is so weird. It is like hot as heck outside, but it is gloomy. It's so odd. Is it earthquake season? All right, so what else can we go in with here today? I think I'm gonna pick up this fluffy brush and what should we do for the lid? Should we do an ombre look? Let me see. Okay, I think on the inner corner here, I'm gonna go in with 24 Baby. And just kind of put it there on both sides. It's a pretty color. You guys, my foundation is cracking right there from all this sweating from this light. Okay, I think I'm gonna mix the two. I think I'm gonna do this Exquisite more in the front. Such a pretty color. And then something more golden towards the back. So I did not wet my brush with Fix Plus or anything. And it's coming out pretty nice, I think. I feel like there are literal specks of gold on my eye, like rose gold. Like that's what this looks like. But it comes out pretty well. Like, I don't know if it it looks pretty chunky. I don't know if you guys can, if it'll focus, but it looks pretty chunky, but it actually is really nice on the lid. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this Better Than Gold color here because I feel like the consistency is similar, but it is a different shade. Very pigmented, like the color payoff is surprisingly, like it's showing up really nicely. This is very like a yellow gold. There is some fall, so I'm just gonna brush it away. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the color Thriving here and put it under my eye. And then I'm going to just make it a little bit darker. So I think I'm gonna go in with Pull Up. Actually, let's go in Moves in Time. Can you see? Okay, I want this a little bit darker and there is no black. So I'm gonna go in with my Orgy palette and go into Glory Hole and add that to the bottom a little bit. Okay, and now I'm just gonna go back in with the same Moves in Time and go over that. Okay, so I kind of blended it out a little bit, and I think I want to go in with, ooh, should we add a pop of pink at the bottom and add this Birthday Magic to the bottom? Ah, it fell. This is totally not the right brush for this. You guys, I'm trying to put this shade on the bottom, but the glitter is literally going into my eyeballs, and now I kind of can't see. Oh God. Okay, for the sake of this video and for the timing and not keeping you here longer than you need to be, I went ahead and did my eyeliner using the Kat Von D tattooed eyeliner and the KKW mascara, which, did she stop selling it? Because I actually really liked it. And then I used the old Dolce K from Kylie Cosmetics. So I was wondering like what the consistency was going to be since they changed their formula, and they didn't bring out any eyeshadows. I don't believe. I didn't see anything when it relaunched. So I actually really like it. I feel like the palette is price-wise comparable to anything else that you're gonna buy in Sephora, Jeffree Star, Ulta, like everything else that I purchased in the past. Like you get 4, 6, like enough shades. So for I think $60 or $62, you get the 24 shades. So if you feel like the price is comparable for you, then I feel like it is a beautiful palette to have in your collection. However, I do feel like there are other eyeshadow palettes out there with the same similar colors, so I do like it. I'm not gonna lie, I do feel like the golds are very, very pigmented and come off without much effort. They do blend pretty easily. This shade was definitely hard to work with, and that is the Birthday Magic. Could have been the brush that I was using, but when I was trying to put it in my under eye, the glitter was just falling into my eye and I couldn't see. But it is a really pretty color, so let's go ahead and I guess we can swatch some of these that I didn't use, like Certified Gold. It's really, wow, that is really pretty, like yellow color right there. And let me see what other, ooh, this is really pretty. Fine Metal. Oh my god, you guys, my nails are horrible from all the alcohol at work. I'm sorry, I forgot to take it off. And let me see, Love It Here. Oh, that's a different type of consistency of the shade. So those are really pretty, you guys. I'm telling you, the pigment payoff is really pretty. So let's go into this one. I feel like these are pretty chunky. That is a beautiful color. I wish I should have used a different brush, because I think that under eye would have been a lot nicer. Let me see, what else do I have? I want to do some of the matte. So Such a Gem is a green color. That's pretty. It's a pretty green matte color. I don't know, you guys. I've always liked her stuff. So if you don't, I don't know what to tell you. I've always been a fan of Kylie and Kylie Cosmetics, so of course I'm going to side with her. I feel like, are they comparable to her old stuff? I don't really remember. Like, I love the Vacation palette, but I don't really use a lot of the colors from it. I love the Burgundy palette. Like, I really like that one, but I haven't used it in so long. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching and for joining me today, and I hope you like this video, and please stay tuned for the next one that I'm gonna post somewhere here, and see you guys later. Have a happy Saturday. Bye!